Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to your Yahoo email on your phone. Step 1. Open your phone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and tap Get or Update if you already have it. Step 2. Once the app installed, tap the Yahoo Mail icon on your home screen, tap to open it. Step 3. On the main screen, tap the Sign In button. Yahoo will ask you to enter your email address. Step 4. Tap your full Yahoo email address like username@yahoo.com. After typing it, tap Next. Step 5. Enter your password. Make sure it typed correctly. Check for capital letters and symbols and numbers. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. And that's it. Now you are inside your Yahoo Mail inbox. And that's how to log in to your Yahoo Mail on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.